Something's wrong with Ziggy. She's not ziggying. Maybe she just wants to be alone? Or maybe she needs to know someone cares. What would you do? Hey, I noticed you seem a bit sad today. Are you okay? I got a letter from my old home in the Deep Current. My best friend there is moving even further away. I miss her already.
That sounds really hard. Missing someone you love is one of the toughest feelings.
You're not gonna tell me to cheer up? Nope. Sometimes feelings just need to be felt. We're just going to sit here with you for a bit. If that's okay? That's more than okay. The word chest. Today's word is empathy.
Empathy. Empathy means understanding and caring about how someone else feels.
It's like trying to feel what they feel, to really get alone.
Has someone ever just sat with you?
When you were sad, how did that feel?
It feels like this. Warm.
Today's activity is a simple one. Ask someone you love, how are you feeling today? And then really listen. Don't look at your toys. Don't think about what to say next, just listen.
That is empathy.
And it's one of the greatest gifts you can give someone.
I think I'm ready to bounce again.
That's our Ziggy!
Today's word, empathy. Understanding and caring about how someone else feels.
The world needs more empathy. You can help bring it. Stay kind, stay curious, and stay fantastic.
See you in Coraville!